Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And in this video, I will show you how to unzip files using Windows 10's built-in Unzip utility. I've already made a video about how to use zip files, and if that's something you're interested in, then you can click on this capture card link that I'll place up to the top right, and it will take you to that video. You know, one of the better options Microsoft has done is installed an unzipping tool inside of Windows. This program is very easy to use, and I'm going to show you or demonstrate to you that here by using a music file I've downloaded from Amazon Music. First, whichever website you visit and you need to download a file, it may be a zip file which contains several files into one big file or folder. Make certain you know where you saved the file that you just downloaded. Once you've done that, navigate to the area where you downloaded the file to. You should see the folder with a zipper on it. Now, here's a side note. Any file you've downloaded from the internet, make certain to perform a virus scan and/or malware scan. This is a perfect way of how you can unknowingly infect your computer. Even if the file is from someone you know or a trusted source, always run a scan to protect yourself. Make certain that the antivirus program's definitions are up to date. The program will not benefit you if it doesn't stay updated with the recent virus definitions. If you are uncertain of how to do this, check your program's documentation and instructions on this critical step. There are two options to unzip the folder. Option 1. Move your cursor over the folder and it should highlight. Look up at the top and you should see Extract. Click on Extract All. The Extract Compressed Zip Folders window will open and it will ask you to select a destination and extract files. You can choose where you want the files to be extracted or placed on your computer by clicking on the Browse button. Once you've chosen the destination for the files to be extracted to, click on the Extract button. You should see the name of the folder and you may have to click on the folder a couple of times to get to the actual file. This is a normal step in the program. Click on the file and the music or program should start. Option 2. When you're in the area where you saved the downloaded zip file to, right-click on it. A submenu will appear. Then select Extract All. The Extract Compressed Zip Folders window will open and it will ask you to select a destination and extract files. Remember, you can choose where you want the files to be extracted or placed on your computer by clicking on the Browse button. Once you've chosen a destination for the files to be extracted to, click on the Extract button. Once again, you may have to click on the folder a couple of times to get to the actual file. This is a normal step in the program. Click on the file and the music or program should start. In some cases, the downloaded zip file can trigger Windows to warn you that the file is corrupted. If that happens, then delete that file and re-download the same file from the website you visited. Remember to run a virus and malware scan to prevent yourself from being infected. I hope this helps you all out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.